Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Fernandez, Microcontroller Development Experience Manager at Texas Instruments, and we're extremely excited to be at Embedded World here in Nuremberg, Germany, to introduce a few new products and demos to showcase our SimpleLink platform. To start things off, I wanted to showcase our MSP432E based gateway. This solution has integrated Ethernet, which allows us to interface with various cloud services such as AWS, IBM, Microsoft Azure, and others. In addition to that, this gateway is interfacing with various edge nodes over both a sub-gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz connectivity. At the very bottom here is a sub-gigahertz connected edge node using our latest CC13X2 product. This device is also paired with various TI sensors for measuring temperature, humidity, ambient light, as well as Hall effect sensors for measuring magnetism. And that way we can actually detect if a door is open or closed. We're actually sending that data, as you can see, once a second to our MSP432E based gateway, and ultimately piping that up to the cloud. In addition to that, we also have a BLE-based edge node, and this is a E-lock type of solution that is using our MSP430 Captivate technology for detecting touches on this keypad. So what I'll go ahead and do is type in the key code, and doing so will send a signal to our gateway and ultimately up to the cloud. And we'll actually replicate the status of the lock here in this cloud-based graphical interface that we built using TI's GUI Composer solution at dev.ti.com. In addition to this edge node, we also have a sub-gigahertz connected HVAC fan. And this is using our CC1310 product, which is a sub-gigahertz connected microcontroller. This HVAC fan is actually interfacing with a Wi-Fi connected thermostat based on our CC3220 products. This thermostat is actually interfacing to the cloud using AWS, and we're able to measure things like temperature as well as the target temperature. And based on that target temperature, we can actually control the state of that fan. So to demonstrate that, I can also override the fan speed by simply dragging this GUI element to a higher speed. And in doing so, you'll see that the fan is now spinning much more quickly. Moving to the right is another TI solution from our radar department featuring our millimeter wave technology. This solution is doing people counting, where we're able to determine how many people are within a space and even track their position as they move within that space. So it's a very powerful technology, especially when it's paired with wireless connectivity. We're actually hooking that up to our CC1310 product, which allows us to send the number of people within that space to our gateway, and then ultimately sent up to the cloud for visualization in our cloud-based GUI. And then lastly, we also have a BLE-connected motor fault conditioning monitoring node. This is based on our MSP432 product, which now has up to 2 megabytes of flash. And this particular solution is paired with our CC26XX Bluetooth solution, as well as an accelerometer. The MSP432 device has a high-resolution 14-bit A to D, and we're able to get really high-resolution readings from that accelerometer. Pairing that with an FFT that we're running on the MSP432 to determine if there's vibrations outside of a normal range on a running motor. And this allows us to do predictive monitoring and do a remote notification if any deviations occur within that motor. And we can, again, send that using BLE to our gateway and then representing that ultimately in our cloud-based gateway. So as you can see, we have a ton of connectivity options available on the TI.com SimpleLink solution, which you can learn all about on the web. Introducing Zigbee and Thread also most recently. So regardless of the types of applications you're trying to build, you can be sure to find that connectivity solution in the SimpleLink platform. So thank you for watching, and you can learn more all about this platform at ti.com/SimpleLink. So thank you.